Hello everyone, this week we're gonna continue installation of the doors, the trims, painting, finishing the backsplash details, and we're also gonna install the floor in the master bedroom. This door previously opened this way, and it makes more sense if it opens that way. So when you come in with your groceries, that door is not right in your way. We're gonna have to make a stop so it doesn't bump right into the door, the countertop. These very nice French doors are missing 3 glasses, so we're gonna order those. So we placed the order of the windows back in November, and we just got them this week on April, and we are installing them today and hopefully finish in the next couple of days, maybe next week. Timing is not bad at all because we are about to finish the extension of the house, and this gives us an opportunity to continue working in the garage apartment without any interruption. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.